I'm Rebecca Verdon and I am a packaging engineer. As a packaging engineer, I design packaging for any of our products and I help do testing to make sure our products arrive safely to customers. Sustainability really drove me to come work at Trane Technologies, looking at all the different products that Trane makes. A lot of companies focus on just having their packaging be sustainable, but it was really intriguing to me that Trane wanted their products to be sustainable and their packaging to be sustainable. During my interview process, a lot of the people in my department, they had lots of years of working at Trane. For example, 2 people in my department have almost 40 years of working at Trane, so that made me feel confident that this was a company that treated their employees very well. I actually reached out to people in the sustainability department because I was curious about starting a CO2 tracking tool for the packaging. And I got introduced to the Sustainability Ambassador Network. The Sustainability Ambassador Network is a group of people that are excited about sustainability, and there's a lot of different learnings on there so we can learn about sustainability and how that impacts all of our different parts of the business. At Trane Technologies, every job is a sustainability job. Every role has an opportunity for impact.